Hi guys, back with a new video, and in this one I'm going to build a new PC. It's time. The last one I built was around 6 years ago and it's starting to show the age. Now with this one I think I just got in before all the craze, the price is going up. Now this PC will be one of the more expensive PCs that I ever built. It's more on the high end, but I'm trying to future-proof myself, and after all the news coming out about how prices are going to go up for everything, I think I just got in time. Now some of the parts over here are my old PC, so will be the hard drives and the case. The case is a Pentax Evolve X. I love that case, so I'm gonna reuse that. I bought another case already and I put my old PC in it, and now I'm gonna build the new in this one. Now the most scariest part is always like this part over here, putting in the CPU, and that's it. After that it's like straight up. Now you have a headache with the cables because again, cable management, it's a problem. Now building your PC, it's quite a challenge sometimes, especially if you do it for the first time. First you have to decide what do you want to do with your PC, what you want to use it for. For example, for me this is the first time I'm using an AMD processor. I was Intel all the time before this, and now because I'm using more heavy editing and softwares, for example, I'm gonna use it more on ZBrush and all this stuff, so I need something a little bit stronger, so I went on the AMD side. Now I'm gonna still do some gaming, and I was thinking to do some Twitch streaming as well, we will see. So I just wanted to have a PC that can do anything that I needed to do, so that was the idea behind it. Once you know what you want your PC to do, then it's easier to put the parts together, and then the other problem is actually finding the parts. Especially now it looks like the market will be a little bit of a problem coming across memory, hard drives, and especially video cards with the AI craze. Now guys, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to check back in at the end. Let me know down in the comments down below what do you think about the build. I listed all the parts at the start. Again, it's a little bit on the higher end. When I got the parts, they were still on a decent price. They were expensive, but it's still decent price. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the build, and enjoy. Now guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. As you can see over here, it's up and running. This video actually was edited on the new PC. Now, when you build a new PC, it comes with a couple of headaches because you have to reinstall everything. Now, always on the old one, you have everything set up as you like it, but on the new one, you have to start everything from the beginning. Now, if you like what I'm doing on this channel, it's give it a subscribe, give it a comment, give it a like, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.